welcome to today's video where we're looking at the GH5 and how to set it at 180 degrees. So you need to go into the menu. On the first menu you find exposure mode. You need to take this down to manual and you need to look for SS gain operation. Click that and you want to select angle ISO. Once you have that, go to this main menu and use this dial here and take it up to 180 degrees right here, and then you have your camera set for that mode. And if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.